Hello, everyone. Welcome to Maika Kids channel. Today, we're going to explore the crocodile, one of the most impressive and wild reptiles in the natural world. Crocodiles belong to the Crocodilidae family and are large reptiles with a robust body structure, specially designed to live and hunt in aquatic environments. They vary in size from a few meters to over 7 meters in length, with the largest species, like the saltwater crocodile, weighing up to over 1,000 kilograms. Crocodiles have thick skin covered with hard, sharp scales that protect them from enemies and collisions. Their sharp teeth are designed for gripping and holding prey. Their jaws are powerful, allowing them to deliver a strong bite when hunting. They also have long, strong tails used for swimming, maintaining balance, and attacking prey. Crocodiles primarily inhabit tropical and subtropical regions, including rivers, lakes, swamps, and coastlines. They can be found in various parts of the world, from Southeast Asia and Australia to Africa and the Americas. There are several different crocodile species, including the saltwater crocodile, Nile crocodile, American crocodile, and gharial, each with unique characteristics and geographical distributions. Crocodiles are skilled hunters with diverse hunting strategies. They often wait for prey near the shore or on the water's surface, using surprise and strength to strike. Crocodiles can remain still underwater, exposing only their eyes and snout, allowing prey to come close. When the prey is close enough, they burst out with speed and power to capture it in a powerful bite. They also have excellent swimming skills, capable of moving quickly underwater and gliding on the surface to catch prey. Crocodiles can hold their breath for extended periods underwater, helping them stay hidden while hunting or avoiding predators. Crocodiles usually reproduce seasonally and build nests on land or in areas close to water. Females lay eggs in the nest and guard them until they hatch. Mother crocodiles carefully protect their young, assisting them from the nest to the water and shielding them from predators in their early week. Crocodiles play a crucial role in their ecosystem by maintaining animal population balance through controlling prey numbers and eliminating weak or diseased individuals. They also help clean aquatic environments by consuming dead animals and injured species. However, many crocodile species face threats due to habitat loss, illegal hunting, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are being undertaken to protect crocodiles and their habitats, including establishing protected areas and community education programs about the importance of preserving these reptiles.